Hey guys, so today's video I wanted to do a just quick tip on something that I've been using in my lawn care business over the past few years, predominantly when doing any sort of rose bush pruning or any other sort of like blackberry bush cleanups and that sort of thing. So normally, your arms tend to get all scratched up, the thorns are always pricking into you, and what I started to do was a simple low-cost solution, and that's I started to use welding gloves. So these gloves are really thick cowhide leather. They're very strong, very durable. As you can see, when you put them on, they go up quite a bit higher, right up to your elbow, basically. So you can, just reach in to piles of blackberry bushes or rose bush prunings without any worry of scratching up the inside of your forearm or getting the thorns pricking into your hands. It's a solution that's worked fantastically. This pair, in fact, that I've got here, I picked up for $5 on sale at a local tool store that was having welding equipment sale. So they really do work fantastic. It's been a fantastic trick. Now, on a side note, another trick that I use these for, I take them with me when I go camping as well, and they work great for messing around with a campfire. So if I'm trying to move some logs around, instead of messing with some tongs and stuff, I can actually just put these on and reach right in and move a couple of logs out of the way of, without any worry of burning my skin right away. Now, of course, I'm not sitting in there and leaving it, but just reaching in, grabbing a log that may have fallen over and moving it around. And also we do a lot of sometimes cooking on the fire, and you might get something that falls in or something that you want to get out of the way. These work fantastically, again, because they're thick cowhide leather. They work great, which is obviously why they're used for welding and welders. So that's the tip for today. Like I said, just wanted to make it a quick one and just bring you guys a short, valuable little tip that you guys can use in your lawn care business. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.